So first is what's maybe motivating this era of cloud computing. And what we've seen is that right now that IT has become very brittle and very expensive. And what do we mean when we say that? And as you look at the numbers here, right, we've seen that IT has become very difficult to maintain. And as a result of that, of the budgets that companies are willing to put to IT, almost all of it is going into maintenance. And very little is actually going into new innovation. And as you look at this list, virtualization and cloud computing have come to the top of that list. And why is that? Why are CIOs saying this is the most important thing for me in 2010? Because fundamentally, we believe that it will attack this issue of the brittleness and the cost of IT and create a much more flexible computing environment for tomorrow. And when we think about the private cloud, what we're trying to do, and we believe is possible, is to deliver the best of both of those worlds and bringing the attributes of why I build my own data centers together, but combine it with the same scalable, homogeneous, virtualized, standardized environment of the architectural model of clouds and bring the two of those together so that you can operate with your private cloud, right, that says you, Mr. CIO, can get the same operational efficiencies, the same scalability, the same dynamic environment that you would if you were in a cloud environment, but you do it in your own private data centers. And that's the private cloud.
The security environment has changed markedly, and you should look no farther than what happened to Google earlier in the year and the revelation that as many as 2,500 companies, blue chip companies, big companies in the US had been compromised. So it never seems to get easier in security. And now we do have this transition going on, this next phase to the cloud that could add a heck of a lot more complexity to the entire security situation. Use the technologies enabling the cloud, such as virtualization, to secure it. We have an opportunity to do what I call a re-architecture, a re-engineering, a do-over of security. So security was never built in. With the creation of virtual environment, with the creation of cloud environments, we do have that opportunity to build security in from the get-go. So the first trend is that we're going from perimeter-based security to more transaction and information-centric security, securing at a more granular level. What I'm talking about is having the ability to understand what's going on with the information as it traverses your entire information infrastructure. That's why technologies like we have with our RSA data loss prevention suite are so important in this new. But what this also argues for, going from point products to ecosystem solutions, is a management capability to help you get a correlated view of risk from all of your controls.